Hey guys, Czar here. Just entering a trade here. I'm going to probably scale into this one, and I've just entered now. And so I just want to click record all of, just as quickly as I possibly could. Because I'm actually in drawdown right now. But I wanted to record this because I think it might be a really interesting trade. A Vwap reversion trade. Potentially. I just sent a flash chat out to my Telegram group, explaining to them what we could expect here. Just want to make sure we get that. There we go. I'm actually trading this using QQQs because of the account that I had open. So it's actually a swing trading account. But it's all the same stuff. And for those who are new, I normally trade futures, and so that's why I just mentioned it. Okay, so there's the Vwap. This is not my terminal target. I might be changing that. I likely will be changing that along the way as we get a look and feel for what's happening here on a technical basis. And I'm going to flip you now to the 10-minute chart because you know that I always look for 10-minute reasons to enter a trade. And we have that 10-minute reason. Rejection from a zone. It's like a horizontal line there. It's not like it's a horizontal line that I had drawn much earlier. As a matter of fact, this one I think has been sitting here for a few days. I'm pretty sure it has been actually. Yeah, it has. Quite a few days. It's been on my charts and been sitting those out. Haven't touched it. The price is rejected right at it like we often see. I'm going to remove this one because it was blasted through. Going to remove this zone, that arrow. This arrow, it's no longer useful. This zone was very useful. We had a couple of really nice trades in through there. And now this zone is gone because the next meeting spot for support, or in this case resistance, is right here, right? So was this train, if this train is able to even move in this direction, northbound, right? If it's able to turn from a southbound train into a northbound train, the next logical station would be here. Although I think it's going to stop a lot earlier than that and possibly round over and continue its trip eastbound, right? Eastbound trip. Hopefully that makes sense. All right, I'm in drawdown here a little bit. Take you back to the Vwap screen. I'm going to watch it. I mean, this market is super weak right now. We're down 122 points on the NAS futures, down 1%. And it possibly wants to go lower. We're going to position ourselves here for if it wants to continue to go higher. I'm going to put you on pause and I'll bring you back so you can avoid the sideways grind. If anything interesting happens, I'll bring you back. Putting you on pause right now. All right, guys, I'm back. I've just added into this trade. So I've added another position here, and I added right here on the close of that larger 1-minute candle. So my first position is here, obviously. And there's my second. My first position was twice as big as my second position. So it's pyramiding, right? Larger base in this case, and smaller add. Put you on pause, bring you back. If anything interesting happens, here we go. All right, guys, I am back and things are moving along here quite nicely. As you know, I added to this trade after the opening double normal position, by the way, and then half of his half that size for the ads. Guys, I am really struggling to speak the English language this morning. I apologize and appreciate your patience with me. It's been an interesting and long morning, but very profitable morning. And I've had 5 or 6 trades on, including this one, and only one loss, small loss. That was a 0.4R, I believe. And then, no, it was a 1R. Sorry, that was yesterday, 0.4R. Today was a 1R loss and then a 1R gain on the London Open very early, 3 a.m. this morning. And then, so that was a break-even London Open, and then some nice all wins after that. Nice win streak, which is always nice when you get that, but that's not the way it typically works. We've been very fortunate lately to have a lot of wins, and this kind of market, in a way suits my style because I'm able to get in and out with some quick movement. Quieter markets are a little bit more of a challenge, but we still make it happen. All right, so things are going very well here on this trade. Currently up 30 points, 31 points. We're going to see how far we can take this. All right, I'm going to put you on pause and bring you back again. Talk soon. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm just revisioning this trade right now. Re-envisioning, if you will. And I decided I'm going to probably close it out right about now. I don't think this market feels like it has. Now we're going into lunch. It's actually lunch right now, 12:01. Has enough steam to get us back to Vwap. I could be completely wrong. But I'm going to close this thing right now. Waiting for it to take me out of my orders. 22 points. Need a little bit of a pullback, and there, out at 22 points. Nice win. So that's a 22-point win on the first position. And it's about 10 points on the second position. The first position was twice the size of the second position. And so that's a really nice trade, a nice big win. Thank you for your time, guys. It's been a pleasure as always. We'll see you a little bit later if there's anything this afternoon. I don't know if there will be, quite frankly, after this big move. But if anything really clean sets up, I'll come back on and we'll tackle that as well. Otherwise, I will see you in London Open tomorrow or New York tomorrow. Thanks for joining me. Take care, guys. Have an amazing day.